Assalamu alaikum. I am Taibur Rahman Shohan. I am studying Bachelor in Business Administration in Daffodil International University. I am planning to take major in Management Information System. I have strong skills in communication, problem solving, and adaptability. My hobby is playing football and playing cricket. I have learned many things from it. Actually, I have learned teamwork and leadership from these games. It helped me a lot to grow my skills. I have also working as intern in Gautech Incorporated. Recently, I have worked as a volunteer in BD Clean project. I have learned a computer course which is called Computer Office Application. In this course, I have learned basic things of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Uh, Basically, I am an motivated person, and I like to travel, and I always try to learn new things. By learning new things, I can grow myself personally and professionally. Thank you.